Number 23, drives, fires, show. Pamani put back, a strong move by Pamani. And goes to the rim, goes to coast, pinasa, fires, bucket, first block. Sa gitna, he drives, lays, bucket, tie Number 8, attacking the defense, lays, goes to coast, and one. So mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Intertown ng Ilocos Sur Semifinals Game 1 para sa laban ng Kabugao at Kawayan. For the jump ball and first ball possession, Kawayan all the way to the rim, won't go, rebound put back off the glass, wala. And a pass break, number 14, and goes to the rim, coast to coast, pinasa, fires, bucket, first block. And here's number 7 sa gitna, he drives, lays, bucket, tie game. And number 15, he drives to the rim of the window, bucket for 2. 18, short, rebound number 8 for Team Kabugao. Looking for the receiver, Rabara. Pass to number 8, attacking the defense, lays, goes to coast. And almost stolen, bounce pass, nauna na, fix, fire, short. Nakuha dito ng Kabugao. Number 14, long pass sa bench. O pass on the inside, the best na Pamani. Here's number 1, floater shot of the glass, bucket is good. Number 15, behind the back dribble, he attacks, pull up jumper, no good, rebound, and he spins. Number 17, bounce pass sa corner, sa 3, bam, nothing but and here's Pamani, basket and 1. And here's jersey number 2 for Team Kabugao, he stops, pass to number 1, oop, inatid, bam, bullseye, inatid. Here's number 23 for Team Kawayan, he stopped, looking for the receiver to the middle, natapikan, he stolen. Number 1, Sinaus out. Number 23, drives, fires, short, rebound, Pamani put back, he strong move by Pamani. For the backdoor inbound, number 5 to the corner, he pass sa 3, off the mark, rebound number 14. And pinasa, attacks, fires, short, rebound, number 10 fix, create space, ang ganda, puso, palpal. And here's number 2. He passed to number 17 to the corner. Pass to number 2. Between the legs. Bounce pass to the middle. Natapikan. Pamani pass. Number 15. No look pass. And Gitoriano with the finish. Of the first quarter. 14. Crossover. He attacks. Fires. Woo, bucket is good. Walang gustong mag-shoot. Oop. And Ismaigwe kicks out sa 3, short, 3, reverse lap, bucket for 2. Garcia, number 6. And he spin, he attacks to the middle, pull up jumper, libre. And here's Gitoriano, loop, inatid, my foul, and 1. And here's number 14, Rabara, sa corner 3, no good, rebound, put back of the glass, bucket for 2. And here's pass to number 15 sa loob, Alvarez, spins, fires, bucket, Alvarez. Rabara, pinasa sa loob, fires off the window. Number 7 with the spin. Sumasayaw, pumasegway, step back, pass to number 15. Attacking the defense, bounce pass, Alvarez fires, wala, rebound, Pamani, lays, Pamani with the basket. Team Kabugao. Number 18, drives to the hoops, no good. Put back. Ew, Ramos. Here's number 2. Drives to the rim. Bakit? Nakalusot. Number 23. Pinasa number 14 Kitoriano. Create space. And here's number 2. Stop, launches on 3, short, rebound, pinabitin, block. And a pass break here, Kitoriano, to the hoops, short. Rebound, Kitoriano pa rin, wala. And a pass break here, 3 on 3, pull up J, short. Rebound, Pamani. Pamani, to the hoops, pinabitin, and 1! And Ramos, he pass. Attacking the rim. Pinabitin, no good. Battle for the rebound. Nakuha ni Kitoriano. And to the rim. Lace, bakit for two. Here's Bavara. Sa corner, sa 3. Bang! Garcia! Here's number 18 to the middle. Kitoriano. Spins. Fires. No good. Tips in. Wala. Rebound. Put back. Nice strong move. Number. Here's Bavara. Rabara. Rabara to number 6. Garcia behind the back. Iniwan. Pass on the inside. Pinabitin. Wala. Rebound. Put back. Bucket for 2. Here's number 18. He spins. Creating space. Fires, no good. Battle for rebound, Kitoriano. Natapikan. Recover. To Kitoriano. Nakalusot. Easy bucket. Kitoriano. And here's number 15. Pass to the corner. Pull up jumper. In and out. Battle for the rebound. Put back shot. Wala. Put back. Bucket for 2. Pamani. Rabara. Kicks out. Open for 3. Short. Oops. Uy. Number 15 crosses the mid lane. He spins. He attacks another spin. Oh, bucket for 2. Number 2. Garcia. Garcia Sumigway. Kicks out. Number 2. Number 2 he drives. Pinabitin off the glass. Oops. And now, Tim Kawayan up by 1. Oops. And here he drives. Floater of the glass. In and out. Put back shot. Bakit pikan na agawan. 3 on 1 ang laban. Kitoriano. Toss to coach. No good. Oh, na-rebound niya. Pull up game. In and out. Kitoriano pa rin. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Grabe. And it's number 5. Attacking the rim. Stop. Pull up jumper. Short. Rebound. Libre. Oh, too strong. Natapikan. Recover. Bumangga. Tumira. Bucket for 2. For the inbound. They're looking for the receiver. Bounce pass. Libre. Easy 2. Perfect execute. And it's number 2. To number 2. To number 5. Cabrero. Attack. Stops. Pull up jumper. Open. A pass to number 15. Libre sa free throw. Bucket. Spins. Bounce pass to the middle. Stops. Kicks out. Spins. Nakalusot. No good. Bounce pass. And here's number 15. Kumegway. Oops. Detected. Stolen. Here's number 4. Sa gitna. Number 8. Toop. Nabitin pa. Oh! Ramos. Long pass. Number 15. Pass on the inside. Wala. Long pass. Ramos with a drive. Fires off the window. Ramos. And here's number 18. He crossover. Fires. Bucket. And now Kabuga up by 1. Here's number 8 to number 11. Vallejo pinasa. Pull-up jumper. Back to 3-point lead. And the long pass. Nauna na si Kitoriano. Pinabitin. Supalpal. Recover. Down to 1. Vallejo. Pass to number 17 sa 3. Short. And number 11. A chance. Kitoriano na naman. Naagaw. Pass break. All alone. Easy bucket. Ano na naman. Kitoriano pa rin. Kitoriano to. Pinasa na ngayon. Pass. No good. Rebound. Pass. Bucket. And 2 seconds. Long pass. Long 3. Abara. Fourth quarter action. Ramos. Sumigsag. Pass. Supalpal. And it's Kitoriano to the home. So finally. James favor here. Kawain up by 1. Here is Rabara. Side steps. Pinamekus. Block. Fires. Wala. Putback. Wala. Putback. Wala pa rin. And here you go. Kitoriano na naman. Pass break. Nauna na. Binitbit legs. Up by 3. And here's number 2. Sabi nakalusot. Lace. Bucket. Down to 1 point lead. Here's number 13. Corpus. Corpus. Pass inside to Pamani. Saves the ball. Nakuha number 5. Number 2 for Team Cabugao. Sa corner. Pull-up jumper. Bucket. Change. And here's number 2. Crossover. Bumangga. Dumistansya. Sa 3. Short. Recover, rebound, put back, 3-point lead. Here's number 23. Stop, Lee Wild open, left alone for 3. Bang! 3! And tie game tayo mga idol. Oop, natapikan, stolen. Oop, na-recover. Oops, tatlo yung nasa ibaba. And number 6. God, ba't pa ma-oops? Mamani, number 15, behind the back, kicks out, open for 3, no good, rebound, attacks, pass inside, Pamani for the lead! Door inbound for Team Cabugao, looking for the receiver, to the middle, create space, pass, tie game. And it's number 15, one-on-one. Pass to number 15, pull-up J. Bucket, up by 2. Number 2, sa gilid. Umatake, coach to coach, Supalpal. Here's number 7, stops, launch on 3. Bang! 5-point lead. And tapikan. And pass on the inside, one bounce makes Ramos, basket and 1. Here's number 7. He attacks between the legs. Nakalusot, lace, bucket for 2. Number 2. Sumisigsag. Number 6. And floater. No good. Battle for the rebound. Rebound. Nalaglag si Idol. Hinabol yung bola. Fires off the glass. Yes, sir. Here's number 15. Isa-isa yung laban, tao-tao. Grabs to the hoops. No good. And the long pass. Umatake. Lace. And 1. Alvarez stops sa 3. Short. Oops, nabitawan. Recover, Ramos, attacks. Pinabitin, reverse layup, wala. And it is number 23. Corpus, fades away. Bucket! And it is number 6, Garcia. Pass to the middle. Number 2. Offensive foul. 3. To the middle, umatake Corpus, pull-up jumper, bucket, number 2, crosses the mid lane. And stops. Bounce pass. Sa 3. No good. Battle for the rebound. Spins. Ramos. Fires. May foul. And 1 for the tie. Tie game. Here's number 15 spins. Behind the back. Pull up jumper at the free throw. No good. Rebound. Mapupunta sa Kabugaw. And Ryug again. Supal-pal na naman by Pamani. And here you go, Corpus. Corpus drives to the corner. Binit-bit lace. Wala. Oops, nadali sa Idol. Nabalik. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds on the final quarter. He attacks. Bumangga. Offensive pa. 23 Corpus. Corpus. Natapikan. Stolen. Ramos to the hoops. Never slide up. Shot. Oop. Oop. Nahuli. For the lead. Up by 1. And here's team Kabugaw, number 14, Rabara. Sumisigsag. Pass to number 2. Pass back, Rabara. Number 2 for 3. Short. Inbound. 25.9 seconds left. Oops. May foul. On the free throw line. Up by 2. Last on the free throw. 71-69. Bucket. 3-point lead. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 22 on the game clock. Number 22. He decided to attack. He pass. Kicks to the corner. Garcia sa 3. Off the mark. Oof. Sa 3. Open. Short. Put back. Wala. Put back. Bucket. 1-point lead. 4.1 remaining. Foul. On the free throw. Short. Air ball. Air ball. On the free throw. Bucket. 3 seconds. Baseball pass. Una. Tapikan. Parson! Ang ganda ng laban. Grabe. Congratulations. Team